Hi guys, today we're doing a unboxing
No.
It is a painting set. It comes with all the things you need. So I'm so excited. Grandma Karen just gave me this. And here's Jack Jack, our helper.
This is all the stuff that it comes with.
So now we need to turn it off the side. I'll do this since I'm the there. Here's all the things.
It's an art bag.
Here's the art bag. Ooh, filled with all the things you need.
Whoa! Can I do the dinosaur?
Like, I'm really scared.
Please.
Yeah, you can because I'm scared to do the dinosaur because what if the dinosaur eats me?
It comes with an art bag.
Oh, and it only comes with one.
That's alright.
Wait, how about we go in turns?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This open.
So these are the canvas. Oh my gosh! Look at this guy. Sorry.
There's this one. It's a crazy guy in space. And here's another guy, but he's not crazy. With jellyfish. I don't know how jellyfish gets in space. And this thing looks like it's upside down, but it's not upside down, but it's upside down. Okay.
Oh, this is nice, sister.
And let's see. Oh, the
move
picture
it.
can go right on there. And a castle. I mean, it's going to say castle. A spin wheel. And Myra's one, it wanted to go roar. A dinosaur. So those are the cool ones. Here what I was looking for. The castle. I think I'm going to do the castle because I'm the princess. And, okay.
Well, you almost did be there.
And
The rest are white.
yeah.
They're white canvases.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay, I'm gonna go first since I'm so excited.
Okay, do you want to show them you got this too?
Yeah. Sister's my helper and Jack Jack. So,
Jack Jack.
and there's not just my helper, they're my guests. On the package it said it was little, but it's big.
It's your size.
Grandma Karen got the great one.
No other. No other arm.
Oh. Ooh.
It fits you perfect.
And it has pockets. Okay, now let me find the castle. Let me see where the castle is. Oh, here's the castle.
You forgot to show them this. Paintbrushes.
Paintbrushes, painting pad. Who needs that painting pad?
Palette.
Palette. Here's our palette and all of our words. I'm so excited.
Paints. It comes with, and then it comes with a chart of how to make colors.
Make them.
Make
Make them?
colors.
You make the colors?
Well, you can mix colors.
Well, I don't want to mix them. I want to make my own kind of castle like you want.
Okay. Sister.
I don't know what to do, but I'm going to just mix
Okay,
them. No.
First, you have to take this off. It comes with a little sheet on it. Wait.
Scissors? Michael, you're going to cut my castle. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you're not cutting it. You're actually ripping it all off. See? Okay, we just had this thing to open next. My sister helper will help me, and Jack Jack said he'll just watch, but he'll be over here watching. But Jack Jack likes dinosaurs, so Jack Jack will do the dinosaur one. I'll just help him.
Jack. You stole my dinosaur.
Don't you want to do something different? You said no. Jack Jack, why don't you let Mara have this one?
No, that's alright. Jack Jack do it. Because I know Jack Jack loves dinosaurs.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so sweet.
Thank you,
No, I know.
Myra. Thank you, Myra.
You're welcome. All the colors.
So I'm so excited. First,
Let me open these for you.
I'm going to do, since purple is my favorite color, I'm going to do purple. giving a roll up of my painting video. I hope you guys like it and subscribe down below.